Here we go. We've got the 16 gorgeous contestants of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. So let's give them a loud round of applause. Come on. Just look at them. Absolutely fabulous. Now it's time for the contestants' self-introduction. Contestant number 1. Let's welcome her with an applause, shall we? The lovely Akhila.
Good evening, judges. I'm Akhila Kishore from Bangalore, standing tall at 5 feet 9 inches and 22 years old. As I told you earlier, I'm a model and a software engineer. My success mantra has been this saying in Latin, which goes like this: Amat curari victory, which means victory always favors preparation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was contestant number 1, Akhila. And now, let's welcome contestant number 2, Aparna.
Good evening, judges. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aparna Dubey, 19 years old, with a passion for life, music, and fashion. Being a part of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is a big thing for me, as I feel I can represent all the qualities that a Queen of India is supposed to represent. Thank you. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you very much, Aparna, which takes us to contestant number 3. Let's welcome her with an applause. Come on.
Good evening, judges, and good evening to everybody. Myself, Athira Ajit, hailing from Trivandrum, representing God's own country, Kerala. I'm doing my first year graduation on BBM. I'm aspiring to be an entrepreneur in the IT industry someday. Hope you enjoyed the event. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's contestant number 3, Athira. Our next contestant at Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is contestant number 4, Bhavna.
Good evening, judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am Bhavna, contestant number 4, representing capital city of New Delhi. I am an English graduate and currently studying for my master's in political science. I also believe the fact that beauty may bring happiness, but happiness is something that always brings beauty. So let us all spread the happiness and stay beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you for that lovely contestant number 5. Let's welcome Jhanavi.
I am Janvi Prakash Pachari from the City of Dreams. I strongly believe in the fact that yesterday is a past, tomorrow is a future, and today is a gift. That is why we all call it a present. And as someone rightly said, remember your past, believe in your today, and keep your eyes on the destiny that you create today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Moving on, our next contestant is number 6, Kirti.
A very good evening to judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kirti Gupta and I belong from a place where love, peace and harmony are 100% thumbs up. That is my hometown, Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. I always try and maintain a positive attitude in life. Thank you.
Our next contestant at Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is contestant number 7, Lakshmi.
I, Lakshmi Anand from Bangalore. I have never waited for an opportunity to come by to give me a ride of a lifetime, but pursued prospects myself, be it starting early at the age of 18 as an IT consultant or moving on to become a model and a beauty queen. I have gained appreciation throughout for making my decisions and working on it. Thank you.
Which brings us to contestant number 8, Leena.
Good evening, judges and one and all present here. I am Leena Vishwakarma from the City of Dreams, Mumbai. I strongly believe that past is gone and future is yet to come. So I want to live every moment of present to the fullest. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
Contestant number 8. Contestant number 9 follows up next. We've got the lovely Nancy.
I am Nancy Gupta and I belong to the city known as Queen of Hills, Shimla. I'm also a firm believer of the fact that one should not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. And I am a combination of both. Thank you.
Our next contestant is contestant number 10, Pragyan.
My name is Pragyan Pradhan, contestant number 10. I am pursuing Bachelor's in Engineering, which is presently an exercise for my brain and maybe will later fill my stomach, hopefully. Thank you, Kerala. Have a lovely evening.
Moving on, our contestant number 11 is the lovely Priya.
I am Priya Naidu from Hyderabad, a city known of pearls and smiles. Well, I have finished my graduation in BSc. Later, I have realized that I am here for something special which excites me every day. Then I followed my mind and heart. Thank you so much, Kerala, for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you very much. Moving on, Manappuram is Queen of India 2012. Our next contestant is number 12. Let's welcome Priyanka.
Myself, Priyanka Saha, contestant number 12. I come from a land of green valleys and blue hills, Assam. I am who I am and I believe in myself. Nanni Kerala.
Thank you very much. Contestant number 13, Sakshi, making that number even more beautiful.
I must say Sat Sri Akal to all the honorable judges and the audience present here. Proudly representing the city of temples, Jammu, I am contestant number 13, Sakshi Khurana. So I am here to capture your hearts tonight. Hope you have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Now it takes us to contestant number 14, the lovely Saru.
Contestant number 14, Saru Walia. I have come here from the city of hills and beauty, Dehradun. Today, I am here to fulfill a dream of my parents, to bloom my life like a flower. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this evening.
Thank you very much, Saru. Now we move on to our second last contestant, contestant number 15, which is Tinkal.
I, Tinkal Bal, representing Kerala for Miss Queen of India 2012, believe in my dreams. I do believe that destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice, and I have chosen my own destiny to stand here as a part of Miss Queen of India 2012. Thank you.
Here is contestant number 15, which takes us to our final contestant, contestant number 16. Here is the lovely Vanishri.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and Namaskaram, Kerala. I am Vanishri Bhatt, a model from Bangalore. I'm passionate about fictional writing, literary art, pencil sketching, painting, and acting, as I believe you spread the vibrance of smile and joy around you, and the world shall smile back at you. Good evening. I hope you all enjoy this evening.
Thank you very much. Now, what I want to tell you is, notice the lovely jewelry all of them are wearing. Well, it's been specially designed and created by Mrs. Preeti Prakashan from Paraka Jewels. So let's give her a loud round of applause and welcome Mrs. Preeti Prakashan on stage. Okay, let's give her a loud round of applause. So once again, let's give these 16 contestants of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 a loud round of applause.
सुरवर पूजित जित दानव कलभ भास्वर वर लंबोदर दर हर हर कलभ नौमि श्री भगवन्तम् गणपतिमति वरदं वरदन्ती मुखं सुमुखं सादर मे करदं वरदं विपदुदधौतं धौतमलं शमलं शमलं भितमपि ददतं हतपापी शमलम् सुरवर पूजित जित दानव कलभ भास्वर लंबोदर दर हर हर कलभ
கண்கள் இருளுது நனவில் என்னமோ ஏதோ முட்டி முளைக்குது மனதில் வெட்டி எறிந்திடும் நொடியில் முட்டு அவிழுது கொடியில் ஏனோ குவியமில்லா ஒரு காட்சி பேடையோ உருவமில்லா நாளை ஏனோ குவியமில்லா ஒரு காட்சி பேடையோ அரை மனதாய் இழியது என் காலை என்னமோ ஏதோ மின்னி மறையுது விழியில் அண்டி அகலுது வழியில் சிந்தி சிதறுது வெளியில் என்னமோ ஏதோ சிக்கி தவிக்குது மனதில் ரெக்கை விரிக்குது கனவில் விட்டு பறக்குது தொலைவில் குவியமில்லா ஒரு காட்சி பேழையோ உருவமில்லா நாளை ஏனோ குவியமில்லா ஒரு காட்சி பேழையோ அரை மனதாய் விழியது என் காலை ஏனோ குவியமில்லா ஒரு காட்சி பேழையோ உருவமில்லா நாளை ஏனோ குவியமில்லா ஒரு காட்சி பேழையோ அரை மனதாய் விழியது என் காலை
So once again, let's have a loud round of applause and welcome back the 16 gorgeous contestants of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 hitting the ramp right about now. and gentlemen, presenting before you the 16 contestants of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. And this time, a quick change, and voila, they're back in their linen best. And of course, very, very interesting designs right here presented by the fashion designer, none other than Mr. Sajimohan Parayil. Can I please have you on stage? Mr. Sajimohan Parayil is the designer of these lovely linen wear that our girls are wearing right here at the second round. Give him a loud round of applause. Habits, Soul of India is his brand, Bits Indiana as well. All right, judges, and now things get a little bit into the competition mode. Okay, here we go.
I was afraid, I was spitting fights, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I grew strong, and I learned how to carry on. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed my stupid look. I should have made you leave your key. If I could know for just 1 second, you'll be back to bother me. Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. Cause you're not welcome anymore. Where everyone who tried to craft me with goodbye. You think I'd crumble. You think I'd lay down and die. Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as now come to love, I know it's still alive. I've got so much left to leave. I've got so much left to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. I will survive. Oh, as long as now come to love, I know it's still alive. I've got so much left to leave. I've got so much left to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. I will survive. I will survive.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time again where we set our eyes back on stage. All the contestants on stage for the third round of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. First contestant to make it through to the semi-finals of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is, I'm going to not listen to any of you, okay? I'm going with contestant number 6, Kirti Gupta. Okay, how about the next one? Somebody even knows her name. Yes, it is contestant number 12, Priyanka Saha. Perfect. Who should we go to next? Let's welcome contestant number 1, Akhila Kishore. Okay, let's go with contestant number 16, Vanishri. The next contestant who's made it to the semi-finals of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is contestant number 3, Adira Ajit. Okay. The next contestant, number 14. Saru Valia is the next semi-finalist at Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. Okay. Go on. Contestant number 2, Aparna Dubey, our next semi-finalist. The next contestant who's in through to the semi-finals is contestant number not 9 but 10, Pragyan Pradhan. Let's go with contestant number 9. It is Nancy Gupta. I mean, if you count my name, if you spell it right, it says Ranjin, which makes it contestant number 7, Lakshmi Anand is the last semi-finalist right here at Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. At the same breath, let's give the remaining 6 girls a loud round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, you're currently looking at the 10 semi-finalists of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. Third round is the judges' interactions round. So basically, I think some of the things that people really need to develop is on-the-spot stuff, which is, trust me, really tough. And if these guys can actually provide answers on the spot, you've got the names of our judges right here in the chits, one by one. 3 of the judges will be repeated to match the number. Very simple stuff. Contestant number 12, Priyanka. Which judge shall you get?
Toshima Biju.
Ms. Toshima Biju, the editor of Kanyaka, is the first question lady.
If you have to describe your favorite color to a person who is blind by birth, how will you do it?
Thank you so much for the question. But I would not describe one color to a blind person. Rather than I will describe a rainbow which has 7 colors, where I will tell him what one color stands for. So not one color, but 7 colors. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Priyanka. That was contestant number 12. Hope that satisfies our judges. Contestant number, I can't even see it. 16, Vanishri. Yes, can we have you here? Now, Vanishri is going to pick her judge. Let's find out who her judge is.
So, Rajiv Pillai.
My question for the day is, when does a girl become a woman? In fact, I'm not going to put you in trouble. I don't need a physiological answer. When do you feel that a girl will become a woman?
Thank you for the question, sir. Well, according to me, the day a girl realizes that she, as a child, has been the rightful inheritor of the culture, the values, and the beliefs that has been passed on to her by her parents, that would be the day she believes that she is evolved into a woman. And that would be the day she would love to pass on the same values that she loved and she followed to her own children. Thank you, sir.
Well said. That was contestant number 16, Vanishri. I hope the judges are okay with the answer. Let's have contestant number 14, Saru, on stage. Saru's judge, let's find out.
Niyati Joshi. Yeah, my question is, other than yours, whose life would you like to live and why?
Thanks for the question. I'm very happy with my life, so I don't wish to change my life. Thank you so much.
Which takes me to contestant number 7, Lakshmi. Choose your pick. And the judge is, once again,
Ma'am Niyati Joshi.
As we know, the theme tonight is black. How would you define black?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. I would define the color black as the color of darkness. But darkness also has a positive side to it. Only if we have darkness do we understand the value of light. So I believe only when we have hatred around us, we know what is the value of love. We'll all work towards making the world a better place. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was contestant number 7, which brings me to contestant number 9, Nancy.
Well, it's Megha Bharman. Good evening, ma'am.
How would you change the world if you were to play God for a day?
Well, this is a very tricky one, but if I were to play God for a day, I would act to uplift the emotions and sentiment of the mankind, and I believe that change would follow itself. Thank you so much.
Well spoken. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nancy. Now brings us to contestant number 10, Pragyan, and her judge.
Sohan Roy.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
You are on board a sinking ship with a life jacket, with your parents and your husband. End of the day, who will be saved?
At the end of the day, I'd love to save my parents.
Only one life jacket.
Only one life jacket? Ooh, that's a tricky one. I'd save my mom. I'd save my mom because she's always been there with me. She's always stood next to me. I think it's because of her I'm standing on the stage. Otherwise, there was no way I would be standing here. I thank her. I'm all here, 5'7", fit, able to stand on my 2 legs, all because of her. That's why I'd always choose my mom first. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pragyan. Which brings us to contestant number 1, Akhila.
My judge is Megha Bharman.
Our Jawans came out of the Kargil war as heroes. Given the choice, would you rather be a soldier defending our frontiers or the winner of tonight's pageant?
Well, that's a very tricky question. As badly as I want to win this, I think I would choose to be a Jawan because I always wanted to be an IPS officer or some government official, trying to serve the country. But being a Jawan helps me do that. So I think I'll definitely do that and save the country because I'm a hardcore patriot. Thanks.
Very well spoken. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 1, Akhila. Which brings us to contestant number 6, Kirti.
Sachimon Parai.
The question is, if you got a chance to operate Airbus 380 within a short period of training, with the 3 months of training, how will you react? You got a chance to operate Airbus 380 within a limited period of training, 3 months. You can or you can't. If you can, tell me the answer.
I would definitely do it because the 3 months training that we have, because I know that it's around 1.5 month training, it's not 3 months training. We are fully eligible to fly as first officer. And once we're through with the training of Airbus 320 or 380, I would be flying as a first officer, then learning my duties and would be flying as a commander later on. So definitely I would not miss a chance. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was contestant number 6, Kirti. We have contestant number 3 coming our way, Atira.
Richa Panai. Retirement at 50, suicide at 60. Do you think this is a possible solution to India's unemployment and population problems?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Well, my opinion is suicide is not the solution for anything, especially for unemployment. And suiciding is like against a political thing and it is a crime. We have no right to end up our life. It's upon God. So I believe suicide is not a solution for anything. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. That was contestant number 3, Atira. Aparna, contestant number 2.
Miss Richa Panani.
Other than your mother, who is, in your opinion, is the most beautiful woman in India? Other than your mother, huh?
I feel at the moment I'm very inspired by Kiran Bedi. That's the lady who has made all the changes in her life and has opened I don't know how many doors for upcoming, generations. And no other girl would ever fear to take up any new career option. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Contestant number 2, Aparna. Thank you very much, Valentina. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard what our 10 girls had to say to the judges' questions. From the 10, at the next step, we go down to 6. 6 girls will be facing each other, and they are the finalists of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. You may take the ramp.